My phone's wanting to freeze up on me. Oh, that's 2030. That's the one that was running the stop signs and everything.
Yeah.
Well, I have it on dash cam anyways, too.
Yeah, I got it on this one too.
And sitting and chilling on the phone.
You on your phone? Now, why'd you shine your light at me?
Well, we wanted to tell you that we got you on dash cam not using turn signals and running lights and everything else, too. So... what happens if we did that? Just, up out of the blue, what happens if we did that?
What's that?
Run red lights, not use turn signals and all that. Huh?
I said it depends.
It depends?
Yeah, what red light did I run?
Huh?
What red light did I run?
The one over there off of...
Whenever you were coming back up from the college area?
Huh?
Mm-hmm.
What red light?
And then didn't use whenever you stopped for those kids at the car right here, you didn't make a turn your right turn signal on right there either.
Oh, okay.
Right here, right where the kids were dancing on the sidewalk?
Right.
Right. I see you're a sergeant too.
I am.
What's your name?
Sergeant Hallmark.
Hallmark? Like the card store?
Just like the car.
Just like the card store. That way, I'm just looking for reference to spell it, so. Yeah. But I was just wondering, because we get stopped all the time for not using turn signals and running red lights, wide right turns. Why you gotta do all that?
You want to see who I'm talking to?
Oh, you couldn't see me?
I can see you, but I can see your silhouette.
Oh. Yeah, it just always, we always wonder why, we get tickets for that kind of thing. We know you have officer discretion, but at the same time, I wish we could write citations too. But I don't know if I'd let you off on, a warning or use officer discretion and just let you go or so. But it's good to, practice those turn signals, I know that they work in y'all's vehicles, so. So, it's 2030, 2030. So. Yeah, you can sit here and pretty much stare at us crazy. So you do write tickets for that though, right? For no turn signals? How many of you wrote this week?
I'm sorry, I got to take the phone.
Well, you've been on your phone pretty much the whole time, so then he's gonna roll up his window on us. I see your silhouette. I can't see you. Walk up, he's playing on his phone. The other one's sitting over there in that top right corner over there. But yeah, I've got him on dash camera not using his turn signal and stuff.